Welcome back. What you're seeing here is a string of 4 puffs. 2 of them are 7 loop puffs, 2 of them are 9 loop puffs. That depends on your pattern. But the key here is the standing puff. This is a standing start to a puff stitch. It's completely unattached when we start it. That's the difference between a starting puff, which is usually coming up from the fabric, from the previous row or round, and then you continue and make a puff. Here we're doing it as a standing stitch. So let me just turn around with another colour on my hook. So to do a standing stitch, you need a slip knot on your hook. Any standing stitch starts the same way. Slip knot on the hook. You hold that knot gently, or you can hold the tail. I've been holding the tail more recently. I just found a different way to do it. You can hold the tail or you can hold the knot. We're going to yarn over to start our puff. I'm going to make a 9 loop puff, but a 7, 5 loop, whatever your pattern tells you, it's all the same principle. Yarn over first, pick up a loop. Yarn over, pick up another loop. Each time I do that, I'm adding 2 to my tally here. I've got 1 plus 2 plus 2. That's a 5 loop puff. Yarn over, pull up another loop. That's a 7 loop puff, and once more gives me the 9 loops. So 4 times yarn over, pull up a loop loop gives you a 9 loop puff. Okay, yarn over, pull through all the loops on your hook. And usually a puff stitch also just needs a closing chain to keep the top all nice and cinched. And you can see here my slip knot is standing out to the side there. Now some people don't like that. Trust me, when you come back and you rejoin and you work this tail away into your work, it's not even going to show. It's going to just disappear into the back like that. Right? So that's a standing 9 loop puff, but you can do the exact same thing with a 7 loop puff, any size puff. The principle just being that it is not attached to the fabric when you start it. So it's nice and easy. And that slip knot keeps everything on the hook. Now there are more advanced techniques where you do it without the knot. I'm not here to teach you that because I don't use it. I'm here to teach you things that I do. Okay, there we go. Standing 9 loop puff, which is also applicable to a 7 loop puff, 5 loop puff, and literally every other standing stitch. There you go.